In this video, we will learn how to create ordered list in HTML. For ordered list, the tag is OL. OL is a container tag. The name is ordered list, so tag is OL. In OL, we have to write the list items. So, once again, the tag is LI. LI stands for list item. It is an empty tag, so this closing should not be here. So I am writing just input device, then in another LI I am writing output device. So what will be the output then? The output will be numbered list, because ordered list is numbered list. So let's see the output. Here the output of default ordered list. Ordered lists are used when we need the list items in proper sequence. So the default numbering appears as 1, 2, the regular number formatting which we use in mathematics. But we can change this number format. For this, there is an attribute of OL tag, that is type. Using type, we can change the number formatting. So default one is this 1, 2, 3, 4. If we type 1, then the output remains the same, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to copy this code and just paste it here, so I can change the numbering type. I am writing capital A. This will produce the output like this: A, B, C, D and onwards. Then the next one is small a. So capital A and small a both are there for the list. There are other two. The first one is capital Roman numeral. This capital I. You just put I, save it and see the output. So it appears capital 1, 2, 3 and onwards. There is another type, that is nothing but Roman numeral in small letters. So let's save it and see the final output. So there are 5 types of numbering you can do in your ordered list. The default is this decimal number system, this 1, 2, and then there is capital alphabets, small letter alphabets, Roman numerals in capital and Roman numerals in small letters. There is yet another attribute of OL tag, that is start. In these outputs, each list start from the beginning. That's why we put here A, I. So this A, small a, small I, capital I, or 1, it only defines what will be the numbering format. But from where to start the number format, for this we have another attribute of OL tag, that is start. So if we write start here, then if we write 10, let's save it and see what is the output. Let's see, number formatting remains the same, but numbering starts from 10. For alphabet or Roman numeral, you can also set the same. You can change the starting alphabet, or you can change the starting Roman numeral. But remember, the value of start attribute is always digit in nature. So in the place of 10, I can write 23. So it will start from 23rd alphabet. In this situation, I can write say 6, and let's see what is the result. So it starts from 23rd alphabet, but still it's alphabet, and it starts from 6th Roman numeral, but still it is capital Roman numeral. So using these two attributes, using type attribute, you can set the numbering format, and using start attribute, you can set from where the numbering of your list will begin. So that's all about ordered list.